Hello everybody, welcome to the Karma Dog YouTube channel, the channel for people who love music stuff. Today we are going to be looking at how to assemble the two-tier rack for two Moog semi-modular synthesizers. In this case we'll be putting the Mother 32 and the DFAM, or drummer from another mother, into a single rack. So we're going to try that and let's see if I can do it without messing up too badly. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This doesn't look too hard. Step A. Remove the two top screws from each wood side of your Mother 32. Now, I have not two Mother 32s, but a Mother 32 and a DFAM, but looks like the screws are in the same place for both of them, so. And you want to not lose your screws. I usually do. I usually lose at least one screw per project. Pretty much the same as the Mother. These are the DFAM screws. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the build quality on this one here. I've had this for over a year. Played quite a few gigs on it really, and looks great. Even the corners, no scuff marks or anything. So it's kind of nice. Note, the lower two screws on each wood side should not be removed. So I don't believe I did that, so that's good. With each unit positioned on its side, yeah, that makes sense. Place one rack side piece in position and loosely, I bet it matters which way you do this. Let's try this one. They're probably exactly the same, aren't they? Yeah. I'm gonna flip these suckers around, see if that helps. Yeah, that matches the picture a little better. Reinstall the side screws with the included washers. This is no problem. I can do Euro rack. Piece of cake. Repeat step B on the other side. Well, let's see. Do I do both units first and then flip it? Maybe. Maybe not. I'm going to put the rack on each side of the bottom. I think it'll be easier to have the Mother on the bottom, partly because I'll be using a MIDI keyboard a lot, probably a key step. There's the MIDI in right there, so I'll probably want to have that on the bottom. Next, oh, maybe that was stupid. Did it say loosely? Loosen this up a little bit. Don't try this at home. Alright. I don't know, is that... Well, it looks cool. Is it sturdy? Probably good. Tighten that one up a little. And I still have one more to put in. This is just second nature for me. Some people probably think this is hard. I do this all the time. foot, then put the foot on the crossbar. The top two screws, well, that's why it was a little loose. Screws from each side panel. So when you're doing this, I just saved you maybe a little trouble. Unless you're smarter than me, which you probably are. There we go. I think when I get my 3-tier rack, I'm just kidding. That's never gonna happen. But if by chance I ever have to do this again, I'll have a little better idea how to do this, because the way I done it was wrong. But it's still working out okay. There. Oh, that really is pretty. That is a nice looking thing. The crossbar. Alright, we got the feet in it. Looks like there are 3 screws on each side. Yep, that's the right number of screws. So when you do this at home, you should probably find a place that's a little more well lit. I did that wrong. Put this on its side. There we go. Now we can line up our holes. There we go. And finish the other side. There's dogs. Quiet! Alright. That's all 6 of those screws. And I have no screws left, no washers left. And it sits nicely on the table. That is not moving. Look at that, huh? Take that, Colin Benders. Take that, Richard Devine. Look at that. Alright, so that's how you do a 2-tier rack mount with Moog semi-modulars. And there you have it. After a few stupid mistakes, I managed to get both modules mounted into the rack and plugged in and patched in and ready to go. So the next thing to do would be to make some music. But that's going to wait till the next video because that's all the time we have today. I'm just kidding, we have plenty of time. I just thought I'd put that in a separate video. So please subscribe, click the little bell so that you'll be notified when that video or any other videos get uploaded. I try to put something up about once a week. No guarantees, but I do the best I can. And when I put something up, I think we all have a pretty good time. Don't you think so, Lily? Yeah, she's having the time of her life. Lily's always having fun. So, thanks a lot for watching the Karma Dog YouTube channel, the channel for people who love music stuff. See you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.